everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to download or install Temu app on your device. Before we get into our video, let's get a better understanding on what a Temu app is. Temu is an online shopping platform that offers wide range of products you can imagine. You can buy from car accessories, clothing and electronics to baby clothes and everything in between. The reason that Temu stands out the most is because the products there are very affordable. Now that we have a better understanding on what the app is, let's get into our video on how to download and install it. In order to download your Temu app, all you have to do is tap on the Google Play Store. Once you're on the Google Play Store, you'll be on the front page. From the front page on the very top, you can see a search bar. You'll have to tap on the search bar and type Temu app. Once you search for it, you'll be able to see the option right here. You can tap on that Temu app name. Then here, as you can see, there is an install button. Tap on the install button. Here you'll have to wait for some time for your app to be downloaded. The amount of time that it requires in order for your app to be downloaded is highly dependent on the Wi-Fi connection that you have. So make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. And just like that, here as you can see, your Temu app has been installed. You can also go back and check it out. And there you can see that the app has been successfully installed. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.